Hi, I'm Troy Munsey with Rusk Hair Care, and today I'm going to show you how to create volume in the crown. So what I want to do with my model is section out part of the hair right in the crown. I want to reach for one of my favorite products called Volumize O2 from the Rusk Pro collection. So I apply it to a towel and use my comb and pick up the product and start to place it right in at the scalp area. So get this evenly distributed. And then working with my round brush, I'm going to wrap the hair around the brush and pick up my dryer and start to over direct this hair and dry and bake this product right into the scalp area. So I'm using a medium heat, low airflow, so I don't collapse the hair. And once the product gets mostly dry, then I can start to work my round brush a little bit more, stretching the hair out. And really dry that root area. And seal it with my cold shot button. And once the section is done, you let it go and you have a little bit more root lift in the section before, so you get a little bit more volume in the crown. So I hope that was helpful. Once again, I'm Troy with Rusk Hair Care. Follow me at Troy Cuts Hair. Thank you.